To download your transaction history on Coinbase, start by downloading the Coinbase app from the App Store or Google Play. Depending on your device, you'll have the option to choose between the main Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app, but it's recommended to use the main app. Once downloaded, locate the app on your device and open it. From the home screen, you can view all transactions by tapping on My Assets or Total Balance, then selecting the Activity tab. Alternatively, you can access transactions through the Wallet option. To download a transaction report, select the menu from the home screen. Scroll down to Manage Account, and then choose the Taxes option. From the Documents tab, scroll down to Tax Reports and select Custom Reports. From the drop-down menu, choose Raw Transaction Activity Report, which will provide you with your transaction history that you can download.